Hello, Celeste Jones, Medici in the Metaverse. Thanks for joining. And here's my friend Galaxy, a friendly reminder to be kind to animals because they have feelings too. Mwah. Today we're going to talk about how to sell out of your NFTs, making millions. The most important thing is to have an amazing product. For example, the project Metaverse released one hype video only 30 seconds in length and received 250,000 followers, all organically, because of their 3D art is levels above everything else the market had seen. They did not have ads or influencers and took off on its merit alone. However, it usually takes more than just a quick video, and this is where digital marketing is the key. Eric Su, the creator of Leveling Up Heroes NFT project, describes the key to success. He explains that they delayed the launch on their project to create more hype and to build up pressure. A quick thank you to our sponsor, Oditto.io, partnering with established artists to build out metaverse galleries, curate, mint, market, promote, and sell their NFTs with strategic success. Check it out, Oditto.io. Hey guys, and if you could pretty please tap that like and subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. So as far as other communities, it's great to offer pre-sale spots. Other communities usually welcome this because they want to be able to give their followers something special with incentives. It creates an added value for that community, and they like it, as long as they feel it will resonate with their community. The key is also to have connections with your own community. If you don't have a community yet, and you are wondering how to do this, you could leverage email lists that you may already have, or through other PR that you have, like YouTube or podcasts. So think about what you can offer in addition to the pre-sale lists. These drops also do a few giveaways or drawings, which can also act to get the excitement going. Then the winners get tagged, and more people get hyped up. Marketing is about getting your message out about your product in a clear, concise manner. You should be able to explain your product to someone in 2 sentences. These 2 sentences should tell this person who this project is for and how they're going to benefit from it. It is imperative to have a clear, concise message. It should be very easy to understand and visualize. That's it for today's snippet. Tap the like button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter, NFT Celeste Jones. Have an awesome day. And don't forget to leave your comments below as well on sellout tips for NFT projects.